How to fix PNC Bank card declined online. To fix a PNC Bank card that is declining online, you must resolve the automated fraud alerts, adjust the hidden card controls in your mobile application, or clear network level tracking mismatches. First things first, to clear the automated fraud log, you simply have to check your phone text messages or email immediately for a message from the PNC. Reply yes to the automated fraud alert to confirm that you are the one making the purchase. And wait 2 to 3 minutes for the system to process your confirmation. Then try submitting your online payment once again. You can also enable the purchase alerts and verify app cards control. Simply launch the application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap your account, and select services, then click on the card controls. Verify that your card status is set to active and not locked or frozen. Once you do this, check your online daily spending limit. If the item you're buying costs more than your set limit, manually adjust the slider upward to accommodate the purchase. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.